If you would like to receive weekly inspiration, exclusive guides, tips, and information about supplies, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. The link to it is in the description box below. When I read the comments of a lot of the DIY videos I've done in the past, I see a lot of people comment and they say, "Oh, you make it look so easy." And for me, I interpret that a couple of ways. I see it as a blessing. I see it as I am doing something I'm naturally good at. And I also see that it may be something they don't feel that they're good at. I'm a very intuitive person, so I try to read between the lines. Sometimes it just comes to me. And for all the people that resonate with this, when you see someone doing something that you would like to do that gravitates towards you, something that you resonate, is something in you that may want to do it but you don't, ask yourself, why not you? Are you telling yourself or giving yourself excuses of why you're not able or suited to do that thing? Is it because you don't have that knowledge? Is it because you are reflecting on things that you didn't do well in the past and so that you are not able to do it now? Are you just doubting yourself and making up excuses after excuses after excuses? If so, I'm asking you, why not you? Why continue giving yourself excuses of why you can't do something? Because I am a firm believer that if I can do it, you can too. And I think about that. There are things that people may be better at than you, but how can you form your lips to say that that's something you can't do when you have not even tried? Have you started? Have you tried that thing that you say that you cannot do? And if you have not, what are your thoughts saying to yourself? What are you saying to yourself? It's time to shift your mind to think positively of why you can do that thing that you desire to do, that you continuously look and see other people doing. You are seeing what other people are doing, the thing that you would like to do, yet you do not do it. Why? Why not you? Change that around and say, I can, I will try. You try it, and not just one try, continuously try. You don't get perfect overnight, and you just don't try it and then after one time you just stop. It's something that you work towards. If you want to be good at anything, you have to work towards that. So learn what you need to learn. You've seen somebody do something, give it a try, and work at getting better over time. And start shifting your mind to saying why you can't, to start saying why you can. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel.